Welcome! We're ranking the top 5 best sensory squeeze toys on Amazon. These are the ultimate tools for improving focus and managing stress. We rank them by durability and texture. Hit subscribe and let's start the countdown. Starting our countdown at number 5, it's the Schylling Snow Crunch Stress Ball. This isn't just a squeeze, it's an auditory experience. It makes a satisfying, unique snow crunch sound. Great for sensory play. Pro, unique sensory experience. Durable. Con, some might prefer a softer squeeze. Score, 7.5. At number 4, we have the Taba Squishy Making Kit. This isn't just a toy, it's an activity. Kids get to design and paint their own slow-rising squishies, fostering creativity and providing a lasting personalized toy. Pro, thoughtful. Creative outlet, customizable. Con, annoyed. Require supervision for younger kids, drying time. Score, 8.0. Sliding into number 3, it's the Mochi Squishies Treasure Box. These tiny, soft, jelly-like creatures are incredibly satisfying to squish and collect. Perfect for party favors or classroom rewards. Pro, huge variety, great for sharing, very tactile. Con, can attract lint, small size might not suit all ages. Score, 8.5. Our runner-up at number 2 is the sensational Schylling NeeDoh Gumdrop. This isn't just foam, it's a super solid squish. The textured surface provides an extra layer of tactile sensory input, perfect for calm focusing. Pro, extremely durable, unique texture for sensory seekers, great size for travel. Con, its solid core may not appeal to those who prefer a liquid feel. And our top pick at number 1 is the revolutionary Schylling NeeDoh Nice Cube. This cube is designed for discrete, concentrated focus. Its super solid squish texture and unique cube shape offer maximum tactile input, perfect for school or the office. Pro, discreet, cube shape aids stability, highly effective for focus. Con, the rigid shape might be less comforting than a traditional round ball. That's our ultimate ranking of the best squeeze toys. From satisfying crunch to calming squish, there's a perfect toy for every child. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our other fun toy reviews.